Gut health is one of my favorite topics to talk about because everybody can benefit from healing their gut. So whether you're exclusively experiencing digestive issues or you have other things going on such as anxiety or hormone regulation issues, we can address the gut to help these. So with gut health, we can test this a couple of different ways, and there's a couple of different goals that we're looking at when we talk about gut health. We're looking at 1, what your microbiome looks like, 2, the inflammation levels in your gut. So whether there's allergies going on, whether that gut lining needs some repair, we want to use this as a foundation before we start to really help your body to absorb nutrients, create its own hormones, regulate the immune system. The gut is in charge of all of this. One of these tests that we use, it's called the GI map. This is going to give us a multiple page report of your specific digestive system so that we can cater to what your body needs specifically, whether that's specific strains of probiotics, whether that's using specific antibiotics to kill off certain bugs. We're using all of that information to make a customized plan for you. So while we're doing this, we can also use tools such as IV therapy to completely bypass the gut. So make sure that while we're going through this healing process, you're also getting all of the vitamins, nutrients that you need, that your body needs to help heal. So if you're having digestive issues, or if you just feel like you haven't had a breakthrough in your health yet, let's take a deep look at your gut and see what's going on and get a customized treatment plan going for you.